Hey y'all, Grad Dude out here rolling around. I'm at Bandana Station Square, but check this out. Look at this big hoss. Check this out. Fucking Bertha and a half. Look at that. Man, I'm gonna run out here in the road, get a good picture. Check that out. Isn't that just amazing? So cool. Like in the Bertha. Excuse my language. Isn't that awesome? Out here rolling around, just farting around. Ran across this sweetness. Isn't that awesome? Take the 8327. What a hoss. Yeah, none of this could have been built, I suppose, without all that. Something like that. Fucking so cool. Look at America.